Welcome in the scientific facts. Today we will learn about global warming. Let's start the video. Global warming. Global warming. Today's topics are what is global warming? All about greenhouse gases, changes in weather due to global warming. How can we protect our earth from global warming? Let's start. What is global warming? Global warming is the long term heating of the Earth's climate system due to human activities and primarily fossil fuels like petrol, diesel, etc. are burning, which increase heat trapping greenhouse gases level in Earth's atmosphere. You know that if heat increase, temperature will also increase, and some gases have characteristics to absorb heat and rise the temperature of surroundings. That's cause global warming. The next topic is greenhouse effects. Greenhouse gas effects. Let's start. Greenhouse gases are gases in Earth atmosphere that trap heat. They let sunlight passes through the atmosphere, but they prevent the heat but the sunlight brings from leaving the atmosphere. The main greenhouse gases is carbon dioxide. You know that some gases have a special characteristic to absorb the heat, and those gases absorb the heat and rise the temperature of the Earth. There, nature defines the greenhouse gases. There, some light rays are coming. There, some light rays are coming, and this white zone is contains greenhouse gases, and this is normal. This surrounding is normal, but due to humans, the large area is covered with greenhouse gases. This is the atmosphere full of red eye, full of greenhouse gases. That cause temperature of Earth is rising in day-to-day life. In your mind, a question arises: how greenhouse gases act? How greenhouse gases work? That's exactly how greenhouse gases act. They let sunlight passes through the atmosphere, but they prevent the heat that the sunlight brings from leaving the atmosphere. Overall, greenhouse gases are good thing. Without them, our planet would be too cold, and life as we know it would not exist. But all things have a merit or also a demerit. There also, greenhouse gases are merit to its help to live in night, but it have also a demerit. When they contain a large amount, it start the melting of glaciers. It rise the temperature of Earth, and due to it, we seen this type of sense. There, ice are melting into water, and that's got flood. Uh, 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 if I ask question from you, human, cause if I ask question from you, who is the main factor of global warming? You answer human. But how can you tell this? Why is human is the factor? Why not other? So scientists agree that global warming is caused mainly by the human activities. Especially, the evidences show that certain heat trapping gases such as carbon dioxide are warming the world, and that we realize those gases would be burned fossil fuel like coal, oil, and gases. We burn fossil fuel like coal, petroleum, etc. And if we burn anything, it's release carbon dioxide. And carbon dioxide is a greenhouse gas. Is only humans are the factor of global warming? Natural factor, nature or not? Is global warming also caused by nature factors? Yes, global warming also caused by nature factors like volcanic eruption, fire and forest, etc. There, a photo of volcanic eruption. Then magma is releasing from the volcano, and that's cause rise in temperature. This is also a picture of global warming. There, fire in forest. It is also example of nature. Nature do global warming. There are two pictures. First picture is of cool earth, and second picture is hot earth. There are two differences. If you want to which type of planet do you want to live? I think you select first one. You select this planet is great. In this planet you cannot live. But in day-to-day life there is increase of global warming, and that make this type of sense. But there is a question also as how can we protect our earth from global warming? Firstly, we must stop deforestation. Deforestation means cutting down of trees in large number. Firstly, we must stop deforestation in all forms. Do not cut down more trees, as it will only worsen the level of carbon dioxide the air. You know that plants maintain the level of carbon dioxide in atmosphere, but you will cut all the trees. It cannot possible to manage these type of problems. And so, encourage people to plant more tree to create fine balance in nature. If you cut one tree and then you put 10 trees, then it's really balance. But if you cut 100 trees and not plant any trees, it is very bad. And we have to increase the people to do this type of activity, not cut plants, plant more tree. And moreover, it's reduce the use of energy. It's reduce the to leave. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe the channel, like the video, and share. Thanks.